Now this illustration deals with circuits not to be grounded. In accordance with NEC 250.22, item 1. Now, this item 1 is dealing with cranes operating over combustible materials and fibers and things and so forth. Now notice the grounding loop is very important because the power supply has to be ungrounded in accordance with 503.155A. The contact conductors, notice 503.155B. The controlling equipment that controls, say, an overhead crane would be 503.155D as in dog. Now that's 3 important items that are listed, but you have to review Article 503 along with the 250.22 item 1 to get a feel for this. But notice the raceway with the circuits coming over is supplied from an ungrounded system. Now you may have a primary feed from the service equipment that's grounded to a transformer, and then the secondary of that transformer would be run ungrounded. But the main point is, any of the items, like operating rooms, other areas, electrolytic cells, and areas like that, 250.22 lists systems that cannot be grounded under any circumstances as identified in NEC 250.22, dealing with circuits not to be grounded. And that's what this figure 16.20A is illustrating, is cranes operating over combustible fibers that could be easily ignited in a flame, just a flash fire occur.